NextMatter is a super efficient way to run workflows for your insurance business. Let's take an example from customer support. Now, typically in a financial services business, customer support inquiries are handled using a shared inbox and they're triaged manually. We'll take a case of filing customer complaints, and for that we've created a complaints handling process here. Let's show the back end of this process and see how it's configured. So in this process, we've created a custom form that captures all the details of the complaint, from the customer account number, email, the type of insurance. We've added a drop down to capture, and an open text field where they can file their complaint. You could add any other sort of information you'd like. If they wanted to upload an image or a file, maybe they need to sign something, whatever you need for the complaint. The next thing we'll do is automate the communication with the customer, so the outreach, confirming they received the complaint, and the follow-up. We'll automate as well the logging of the complaint in our database, which we've used here using a custom Google Sheets integration, but you can integrate whatever database you're using with a REST API. We'll also automate the triaging of the complaint using conditional steps here, which will only be activated depending on the kind of insurance the customer has and will be handed off to the appropriate team. Now, you might be asking, how's the customer going to see this form in the first place? For that, we've created an external portal step trigger. With the external portal step trigger, you get a custom form where your link will be hosted, which could also be accessed via QR code. Here's a view of that form right here, and it's located on this link. Let's submit a case just to see how it works. So I'm going to submit a account number. We'll use my email address. And my name. In this case, I'm going to use a home insurance policy, and my garage damage wasn't covered, let's say. So we'll complete that, and I already received a notification that the complaint form has been submitted and received. If I check my email, I've also received an email that says we've received your complaint. We take this very seriously. But you can also customize the emails, of course, to say whatever you like. Now, back in the case in NextMatter, I'm going to have a look in the inbox. And under the home insurance team, I see that there's been a complaint received. All of the details of the complaint are here. And if I'm a member of the home insurance team, this will be triaged to me automatically. So I can take this over. And now I see all of the checklist items that need to be done to handle the complaint. So let's cruise through those. And we'll prepare the communication with the customer and the actions that we'll take on the complaint itself. So give them the salutation. We've reviewed. Thanks very much, etc. And of course, you could template this as well, depending on it. You could create a pick list of options here, but in this case, we'll leave it free text form. Refund you $100, and we'll complete that. So now I can see all of the steps here in the sidebar are completed. The automatic customer follow-up has been sent out, and the database has been updated. So if I have a look quickly here in the database, I can see indeed the complaint has been filed. Here's my email address, the details of the complaint, the explanation, and the actions taken. And as well here, as a customer, I see now there's been a follow-up addressing me. Here's the actions taken and what we'll do. All in all, this process took about 10 minutes to configure, and it's infinitely customizable depending on your needs. So if things need to be moved in different order, or if steps need to be eliminated or added, it's just a matter of clicking, dragging, and dropping. If you'd like to see this case an example for yourself, or find out if any other cases are valuable for your insurance business, go ahead and book a demo using the form on this page. Thanks very much. Talk soon.